This past week, buyer activity fell in all markets, reflecting fewer new contracts for this report. It's Friday, July 24th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The Baltimore metro area had a 12.3% decrease in buyer activity year over year, and new contracts fell 2.6% from last year. The suburban market activity experienced a decrease of 11%, though new contracts remained consistent year over year. The Maryland Mountain region buyer activity is also off 11%, and new contracts fell 52% year over year. Southern Maryland buyer activity fell 11.3%, though contracts remained unchanged from last year this time. Active rentals in Maryland rose again this week to 3,489 properties, and the median lease price at $2,650 per month. And over the past week, it's taking a median of 23 days for a rental property to go to lease. Are you curious about housing values in your area? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, July 24th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.